Dom here from Essential RC, thanks for tuning in. So FMS Fox, again we've FPV'd it because that's what we like to do. Now what I've done, I did have a disaster with this last week and we've just found out why. Yeah, won't go into the detail, but it was an iNav issue, my fault, and Jason spotted it. So the rule we have now is that when we come down the flying field, someone always double checks the iNav setup. Yeah. The iNav is the firmware that's running on the flight controller, a Matek 765 wing that is in here, 6S6000 pack, balanced at 11 centimeters further back from the leading edge of the wing. And you can see that I've got the FPV camera here on the wing, basically because, as we find with a lot of models, if you put it inside the canopy, the glasses or the plastic obscures the view, which I really hate when I'm flying FPV.
If you buy a HD system, you want to see HD.
You want to see HD. So that's why I put it out there. Maybe in the future what I might try and do is just cut all this plastic away and just put it in here. But I think the only reason I do that is because I really want to feel like I'm flying the glider from inside the cockpit, from experience-wise, when I'm flying FPV. And so that might not be a great position here on the wing. Got it set up for pan and tilt on sliders at the moment. We've got a head track unit,
Arduino based, yeah.
Coming soon.
Coming soon, yeah.
And we might even sell that in the future, but we're trialling it. We'll trial it. You've got one, you're setting one up for me. So I'm going to plug in and let's try this FMS FPV Fox for the first time. I think we're good. So I'm going to fly at line of sight to height and then put on the goggles. I think that would make sense.
Once you go full throttle, I'm going to throw it, okay?
Okay. Do you want to put the goggles on, Jay?
No, you come and sit.
No, because I'm going to do some aerobatics with them on. So. Right, James, do you want to come back here?
Yep.
That's good. So that's great. You're filming us. That's great. So Jason's putting on the goggles. I always think it's a great idea. Do a line, even if it's FPV and you've just set that up, fly at line of sight the first time.
Can you pan right slightly?
Telemetry lost.
That's down.
Telemetry recovered.
That's left. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. That's it, about there. That's better.
That's good?
Yep.
All right, and so I'm just going to trim out a bit more.
Your OSD, you got your arrow on this one.
Oh. Mystery as to why it's not on.
When you're sat down already.
I'm sat down.
Okay, I'm just going to level the wings, get it into wind. Right, and in your hands now.
That seems so much better.
Oh, it's not.
Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.
Wow, I mean that's a great view as well.
Yeah, it is a good view. It's a really good view.
Ah,
actually.
it's just an awesome view.
Yeah.
I love that.
That's one of
Down the side of the fuselage is lovely, I think.
I agree.
Yeah.
And it's a totally clean view because I haven't put it inside the canopy.
Yeah. When I done that on the, what was it, what model have we got? The Herons.
Yes.
On the Herons, it's such a good view.
Yeah, it's beautiful. And you get the sunlight glinting off the canopy.
And if you want to go high and glide, Dom, you really can, because we can see you for a long way.
And you can land with it like that as well. You know, there's no compromise really. I suppose you get a bit of drag.
Oh, it's just so good.
You
so
could
good.
get up to 10,000 foot with that, no worries.
I reckon we could probably keep up with him with the Herons just about, if he didn't go fast.
Yeah. A heron off each wing off of that.
Yeah.
Magical in the summer.
Dom in the middle and a heron each side.
different experience that is, isn't it?
What's your speed, Dom?
I'm at 230 feet, about 30 miles an hour.
That's crazy that you're halfway to the legal limit.
Not with Article 16,
Oh yeah,
it's not.
true.
No limit, mate.
So what does 400 foot look like? That.
There.
Crazy.
And I can comfortably fly 3 times that height line of sight.
Yeah.
Get some height then, Dom. Keep an eye on the traffic on the left.
700 feet,
Yeah. That's not going to come anywhere near.
800 feet.
I just don't want him turning left because then he'll be under Dom.
Yeah.
There's some traffic on our left hand side. But he'll be
Roger.
clear shortly. Funny enough, it's a glider.
Yeah. Power glider, not too dissimilar.
He's probably looking at that going, I can't see him.
And we're down there.
You should be able to see that glider in front of you.
Just to your left. The cockpit might be obscuring.
Ah, the cockpit will be obscuring, yeah.
Oh no, I see him. Well, it's powered, whatever it is.
It is, yeah. Power glider.
This is just amazing compared to the RV8. It's
So
even
clear,
cleaner
yeah.
view. It's so clear. Yeah.
Big old boy. I reckon you get an hour flight time with that just going up.
Do you know full chat? That's put how many amps is it saying on the screen? About 70, isn't it?
Yeah, 75 amps.
75 amps.
So how long will that battery last at 5,000, 6,000?
Not long at full throttle. I mean, it's not far off your Avanti.
Yeah,
That's 100 amps.
yeah.
So probably 5 minutes full chat, if that.
Yeah, so maybe you wouldn't get a mega flight time then.
But half throttle is like 10 amps.
Yeah, and you can still...
Yeah.
All right. Let's try some aerobatics at height then.
Okay.
Speed.
You're not that
You're
high,
not,
by
yeah, I
the
was
way.
going to say you're not that high.
I'd probably double your height.
Nice roll.
Looks nice.
Come back the other way in a minute and do a loop.
Yeah, I'll get a bit more height.
Sensor lost.
Sensor lost.
Yeah. There you
That's
go.
a sort of good
Yeah.
entry height.
Yeah.
Lovely.
Oh, that is so good. Bit of rudder, kick it around.
Yeah, that's what FPV is all about, really. I remember getting the Herons and the Soleus going last year and
I
thinking...
think the Soleus is a better
banging.
model, actually.
Yes. Oh, do you reckon then the Heron?
I think it's just a bit more aerobatic, isn't it?
Yes.
The
Got a thinner
T-tail
wing.
takes away
Yeah.
the aerobatic bit.
The Soleus
Sensor lost.
had a T-tail as well.
Oh, did it?
Yeah.
Okay. I thought it
They're
was.
almost identical. I think it's just got a slimmer wing profile.
Okay,
and
Dom,
a
there's some
smaller
traffic
T-tail.
in front of you coming towards you.
Yeah,
Probably
it's quite
about
high.
this.
No, I reckon.
He's a little bit higher than you.
Yeah, by a fair amount actually. If you look at the
He
size
is
of
now.
Dom.
Now Dom's come down a bit here.
Yeah.
Can you see him? As long as you don't go any higher at the moment, we'll be fine. If you turn right, you'll probably see him. Keep going, keep going, keep going. They go straight, and if you above you now,
Yeah, it's quite a bit above.
he's quite a lot higher than you.
I do one fast pass and then cruise around for a landing. All right.
Yep.
Yep.
Here we go. Actually, yeah.
Quite high.
Yeah, drop it down. There we go.
How's that? Beautiful. Okay, so let's plan our descent. Don't want to go too high above the trees. Follow this tree line. Stay within the field.
Bit flat.
Half flap in. Just going to add some drag. I reckon that's enough probably. That's really slowed us down.
I'll pull your height.
Telemetry lost.
Really high.
Telemetry recovered.
Yeah, it'll come down.
Really slow. 10 foot, 8 foot, 6 foot stalling, 4 foot down.
Nice. Not an accurate landing. I guess I'm way down there, aren't I? But I am on the patch. Fantastic. So even more relaxing flying than the RV8. That is a brilliant conversion to FPV. I don't actually think it needs to go inside the canopy. It's really nice being able to see. You get to see the nose and the propeller folding in and out, and you get a totally 100% clear view of all the landscape, and you can look across the wing. Absolutely brilliant. So highly recommended. That's the FMS Fox, the 3 metre version with DJI FPV with our Essential RC pan tilt gimbal. Thanks for that, Jason.
No problem.
Nice one. Thanks to James on camera. If you've enjoyed this, then please give us a thumbs up. You might want to subscribe. If you do, click the bell icon for notifications for our future uploads and live streams. But thanks for watching this video with us guys on Essential RC. We'll see you soon. Wow, I mean, that's a great view as well.
Yeah, it is a good view. It's a really good view.
It's just an awesome view.
Yeah.